It was a beautiful Saturday evening. The sun was setting, and the sky was painted with soft orange and pink colors. Emma was playing with her toys when she heard her mom call from the kitchen. "Emma, would you like to help me cook dinner?" her mom asked. Emma's eyes lit up with excitement. "Yes, Mom, I want to help," she said happily. Emma ran to the kitchen, where her mom was standing with a big smile. "Tonight, we are making spaghetti with tomato sauce and garlic bread," Mom said. "Yum! That's my favorite," Emma replied. Mom handed Emma a small apron. "First, we need to wash our hands," Mom reminded her. They both washed their hands with soap and water. "Okay, let's start with the spaghetti," Mom said. She took out a large pot and filled it with water. "Emma, can you help me put the pot on the stove?" Emma nodded and carefully helped place the pot on the stove. Mom turned on the heat. "Now, we wait for the water to boil," Mom explained. While waiting, Mom took out some fresh tomatoes, onions, and garlic. "Emma, can you help me wash these vegetables?" Emma took the tomatoes and rinsed them under the water. "Nice job," Mom said. Then, Mom chopped the onions and garlic while Emma watched closely. "Be careful with the knife, Mom," Emma said. "Don't worry, sweetie. I will be very careful," Mom assured her. After chopping the vegetables, Mom heated some oil in a pan. "Emma, can you help me stir the onions and garlic?" Mom handed Emma a wooden spoon. Emma gently stirred the onions and garlic as they sizzled in the pan. "It smells so good," Kema said. "That's because onions and garlic make the food delicious," Mom explained. Then, Mom added the chopped tomatoes and some seasoning. "Now, we let it cook for a few minutes," she said. By this time, the water in the pot was boiling. "Emma, can you help me put the spaghetti in the pot?" Mom asked. Emma carefully dropped the spaghetti into the boiling water. "Be careful, it's hot," Mom reminded her. "How long does it take to cook?" Emma asked. "About 10 minutes," Mom said. While the spaghetti cooked, Emma set the table. She placed plates, forks, and napkins on the dining table. "Now, let's make the garlic bread," Mom said. She took a loaf of bread and sliced it. "Emma, can you help me spread butter on the bread?" Emma took a small knife and spread butter on each slice. Then, Mom sprinkled some garlic and parsley on top. "Now, we put them in the oven for a few minutes," Mom said. While waiting for the garlic bread to cook, Emma and Mom cleaned up the kitchen. Emma wiped down the counters and put the used dishes in the sink. "Cleaning up is part of cooking, too," Emma said, feeling grown up. Mom smiled. "You're doing a great job, Emma." The spaghetti was ready, so Mom drained the water and mixed the pasta with the tomato sauce. "Dinner is almost ready," she said cheerfully. Emma helped Mom take the garlic bread out of the oven. "Everything smells amazing," Emma said, feeling very proud. Dad and little brother Jake came to the table. "Wow, dinner looks delicious," Dad said. "Emma helped me cook everything," Mom said proudly. "Thank you, Emma," Jake said with a big smile. They all sat down and enjoyed the meal together. As they ate, Dad said, "Emma, you are a great little chef." Emma smiled proudly. "Cooking is fun. Can we do it again tomorrow?" she asked. "Of course." Mom laughed. After dinner, Emma helped Mom clean the table. "Thank you for helping me today," Mom said, giving Emma a hug. "You are the best little helper." Emma felt happy and proud. It was a wonderful evening, and Emma knew she would always love helping Mom cook dinner. Before going to bed, Emma and her mom sat together for a few minutes. "Tomorrow, we could try a new recipe," Mom said. "How about making pancakes for breakfast?" Emma's eyes sparkled. "Yes, I can't wait," she said. Mom kissed her goodnight, and Emma fell asleep with a smile, dreaming of new recipes to cook with her mom.